Hey everybody, welcome again. In this video, we're going to see how we can use your favorite websites as Windows apps. So you are pretty much familiar with what Windows apps are and how you can use that by going to your start menu or accessing these from other installation icons that you have on your desktop. So some of the websites that allow you to use those as apps. Okay, so these are called progressive web apps. So what you can do, you can go to your website and you can install it as an application, and it will be loaded as an icon on your desktop or wherever you want. It might also be added to your start menu where you can access it. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video a couple of those that you can use as an app. So the first one I'm going to show is YouTube. That's the most common one. A lot of people use that. Pretty much everybody use that. So what you need for that, just go to your web browser, go to youtube.com. Once it's loaded, you need to look for this small icon that you have right next to your bookmark, this tab. Okay, so what it will allow you to do, it will allow you to download this as an app and it will install it on your desktop. So I'm going to click on that. When you click on that, it will ask you to install, and that's it. It's installed on your machine as an app. So next time, what you can do, as you notice that there is an icon on my desktop, that's your YouTube app that you have. And as you can see, it's also added to my recent app list, or basically my list of applications that I have installed on my computer. And when I click on that, it will just open YouTube for me. So it's not running that in your typical browser window. It has its own windows and it's running that there. But you will see that it has the exact same interface that you will get on your browser, and you can do everything that you can do using YouTube on the browser. So that's one. I'm going to show you another one. If you use Twitter also allows you to have an app for it. So you will see the same thing when you go to twitter.com. You will see this icon, click on that, click install, and that's it, done. It's installed on your computer and you can see the icon there. So this way you can add your website as an app to your quick access menu or your desktop. This will it's just to simplify your access to these favorite websites that you have. Okay, so once you have the desktop icon, you can just click on that. It will directly load the website for you. These applications also have some other functionalities, like in some cases you can also use it for offline access if you want to, but obviously it won't work for everything. Like in case of Twitter, it can have your Twitter feed stored locally on your machine, so even if you're offline, you will be able to see at least the old feed, not the live feed that you have. Again, the other thing is that it's not available for all of your websites. You'll just have to see if your favorite website offers it or not. Some of the common ones, like I showed you, YouTube or Twitter, they do offer these apps. Alright, so that's how you can use websites as an app on your computer. If you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.